Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I really was not sure what look I was gonna do, but I think I kind of have an idea. I'm gonna freestyle like I pretty much do for most of my videos. I'm not feeling really well, which is why my throat sounds so scratchy. But that's why I wanted to do my makeup today, because I was like, bitch, you're not gonna stay in the bed and be all miserable and stuff. Like, beat this face, hunty, and you will feel 100% better. So I'm good. I already did my brows, and I used my Glow Skin Beauty brow pencil in dark brown, and I used my Kat Von D concealer, Lock-It concealer. This shit is bomb. I've been using this for my last couple videos, if you guys have noticed, and I'm gonna get right into this face, bitch, because anybody got time for all the hoopla. So I'm gonna go in with my MAC shadow primer. I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. And I knew I already did a pink look before. I don't know if it's going to be pinky, but I'm kind of in the pink mood, so let's just see. Start off with this color, Burnt Orange right here. It's a weird color to start off with, but yellow. Now I'm going to go in with this color, Real Gar, this orange right here. And I'm going to put this only on my crease, as you can see. And I'm using this type of brush. It's like an oval sort of brush. See how fucked up it came out? And I'm gonna take this blending brush. I'm just gonna blend the. Now I'm gonna take the same brush that I blended those first two colors with. Brush, and I'm gonna go into this color Warm Tape Top. Hope I'm saying it right. Warm Top. And I'm gonna go only over. Now I'm gonna go into this color Antique Bronze, and this is gonna darken out that crease. And I know it looks messy, guys, bear with me, okay? Now I'm going to go in with my Becca Cosmetics Ultimate Coverage Concealer in Honeycomb. And I'm going to do a half cut crease. And this is my Lauramercier Secret Concealer Brush. Okay, this takes patience. Okay. Okay, apparently I'm doing a full cut crease. And it's fucked up. And if you mess up the way I did, like, look at it, it looks crazy. But don't worry, like, all you have to do is refill in that section with the previous shadow that you used, and you won't even. So now I'm not gonna put any more product. I'm just gonna use that same brush I used before, and I'm gonna shape out this cut crease a little better, like this. Vermeer right here. It's going right here. And I'm gonna put that on the inner part of my eye. And now I'm gonna go in with this color, this brown Cyrus Umber right here. And I'm gonna tap that on the corner and blend that out. Okay guys, so I literally just had like a mini meltdown because I put too much brown shadow on my right eye and it's a little bit darker than my left eye. So what I did was put a little more concealer to like basically diffuse the color, and then I put more of the brown shadow on it. So I mean, it doesn't look great, but it looks better than it did before. So what I'm gonna do to like, I'm just gonna take like a clean brush with no product on it and just like blend everything out, because from there it, you know, like I feel like the colors would be diffused. It is what it is. It doesn't look bad, but it doesn't look the way I wanted it to look. Now I'm gonna go in with my NYX Pigment, and this is like a pinkish silvery color. It's not glitter, but it's a pigment, meaning like it's like pearlized and stuff like that. So I'm gonna take my round circle brush and just dip it in there, and then I'm gonna put it right. As you can see, I put too much on here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just make it match this side, because oh my god, I just wanna bathe in this. It's so bright. I'm gonna go with my Anastasia A26 brush and I'm gonna go into the color. I'm gonna go into this raw sienna because it's like a neutral color, and I just need something to neutral to like balance everything out, because I feel like everything's getting lost in the sauce right now. Okay guys, so this is my shadow. I blended everything out and fixed like the funky parts. Now I'm gonna go in with my Laura Mercier Hydrating Primer. And I'm using a lot. It's been like really cold in New York. Like I'm talking about like 12 degrees and below. And my skin has not been messing with it. Like I've been breaking out. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is all eczema. Like my skin is breaking out horrendously. I'm going with my Laura Mercier Candlelit Glow Foundation. Now that I have my foundation done, I'm gonna go in with my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. This is the cream contour kit, and I'm gonna put my Smashbox primer oil into the palette so it'll make it like really buildable. Use this color actually. I normally use the first color, but just wanna see. Now I'm gonna go in with my contour, this shade right here. And I'm gonna go. going with my other Kat Von D palette. You already know, if you watch my videos, that I use this shit all the time. My Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. It's the powder one that I'm going to be using. This color, because I want to match. And just pat that into my highlighting areas. Now I'm going to go with my NYX matte bronzer in medium. This is what it looks like. Now it's time for lashes. With my Eyelure lashes, I'm going to go with my MAC mascara in upward lash. Okay guys, now that I popped my lashes on, I'm gonna go ahead and do my bottom lashes with my MAC mascara. I'm gonna go into this color right here, this like dark, I use this color a lot. It's like a brown pinky color. Now I'm going to be very careful. I'm going to test this on my arm and make sure that it's not too much. Favorite part. Now I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. It's my highlighting brush. I'm going to use the colors Butterscotch, which is this color right here. And then Gumdrop right here, this pinky color. I'm also going to go with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Glow. Okay. And I'm going to put this on my cheekbones, my nose, and definitely my cupid's bow. Now I'm going to go in with my Makeup Forever waterproof lip liner in the color, oh god, whatever, don't know the color, but I'm going to go my MAC. I feel like this is my Lady Gaga lipstick from MAC from like years ago. It's called Viva by Glam Gaga. This is what it looks like. It's like a hot pink color. Oh, I'm not done. Nope, nope, nope. Now I'm going to go in with my favorite gloss right now and probably forever. It's just my NYX Intense Butter Gloss. And the shade is Cookie Butter Biscuit. I'm going to put that just to like diffuse that pink a little bit, because I'm really not trying to be super pink. Use my Kat Von D Lock-It setting spray. Okay guys, so this is the final look. It came out better than I thought. As you guys know, when I was on my shadow, I was not happy with the way it was coming out. It looked cray, but I think the pigment definitely helped. The NYX pigment definitely helped everything be more cohesive and like blend together well. So I'm satisfied with that now. I'm living for this highlight. Like Anastasia, her highlight is always on fleek, so I wasn't worried about it. And please don't forget to subscribe. SUBSCRIB. E. Okay. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.